Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. In this session also we are going to discuss one different problem on again trigonometric identities. Just let us solve it. See here, we need to prove that 1 by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A is equal to what? 1 by sin A minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A. Now we will do this problem in two different steps. One thing is we need to take LHS and we need to get the result of that, and another one is we will take again RHS and we will get the result of that. If both are tallying, means both are equal, then our problem will be correct. So let us choose the first LHS part. LHS, which is given as how much? 1 by cosecant A minus cot A minus 1 by sin A. So this is your LHS part, right? So now do one thing. Here it appears to be this is somehow close to cosecant square A minus cot square A or not? Yes, this denominator is looking somehow close to cosecant square A minus cot square A when this is multiplied by some another factor which is cosecant A plus cot A. So we can multiply and divide this expression, means this one, okay, this fraction, okay, we don't touch this, only we have to take care after this, okay. Multiply and divide this fraction with cosecant A plus cot A, just see, minus cot A. Okay, we are multiplying, dividing with cosecant A plus cot A, and here also cosecant A plus cot A, and here minus 1 by sin A. Can we write this as a cosecant A or not? Yes. Why? Because sin A and cosecant A, sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocals of each other. So therefore we can write it as what? Cosecant A. Right? Okay. Once again I am telling you that why we are multiplying and dividing with only cosecant A plus cot A, because we can obtain by multiplying these two, we can obtain cosecant square A minus cot square A. So there is a chance of getting denominator as 1. So we are multiplying and dividing with this. Okay, anyways, so here cosecant A plus cot A into 1, that is cosecant A plus cot A, by here cosecant A plus minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A. What does it become? See here, cosecant A minus cot A and cosecant A plus cot A is in the form of what? A minus B into A plus B. Okay, on multiplying them we get what? A square minus B square, which is algebraic identity. In the same format, if you multiply these two, what do we get? Here cosecant A is considered to be A and cot A is considered to be B, then A minus B into A plus B, that would be A square minus B square. A is cosecant A, so therefore cosecant A square A minus cot square A, okay, cot square A minus this cosecant A. Right? We have done very simple thing that with for the first fraction we multiplied and divided with cosecant A plus cot A and we simplified it, and this 1 by sin A is written as cosecant A in terms of cosecant. Okay, so now here cosecant A plus cot A, see here, I'll highlight this with the red color. Just see, this denominator part is representing what? It's an identity or not? Cosecant square A minus cot square A. So therefore this is 1 or not? Exactly. So here denominator is 1. Okay, denominator is 1. Cosecant A. Now you just see this. This one we don't need to write. Okay. Now cosecant A minus cosecant A will be gone. Now what is left over here? This is cot A, right? So now this is the LHS part after simplification, right? Now let us go for solving RHS part also and let us see what happens. Okay. Now we take RHS part. RHS part is here given as 1 by sin A minus 1 by cosecant A plus cot A, 1 by cosecant A plus cot A will multiply and divide with what? Cosecant A minus minus cot A. Okay, will multiply and divide with the cosecant A minus cot A. While multiplying and dividing with the same number, okay, the expression doesn't change. Understood? Its value remains same, because if you cancel once, the value remains same. So we can do it. And one more thing, why we are multiplying with cosecant A minus cot A only? The reason behind it is nothing, to get to obtain the identity in denominator, so that it become 1. Understood? So here, just see here. Now 1 by sin A again can be written as what? Cosecant A, right? 1 by sin A can be further written as cosecant A, because it is reciprocal of cosecant A, right? Okay, minus. Now see here, 1 into cosecant A minus cot A. Cosecant A minus cot A within the brackets. Please keep within the brackets, because there is a minus symbol in front of that. Okay. Now cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. That means it is again in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So it can be written as A square minus B square from the algebra. Okay. So here A is cosecant A and B is cot A. So therefore cosecant square A minus cot square A, this multiplication result of these two will be what? Cosecant square A minus cot square A by the standard formula of algebra. Now you can observe in the denominator part, this is again what? That's again algebraic identity, cosecant square A minus cot square A. So therefore we get again here 1. So tell me, here cosecant A minus into plus minus cosecant A minus into minus plus cot A divided by what? 1. So we don't need to write 1. Why? Because this value of this would be 1. So we don't need to write the denominator in separate. Okay, so here cosecant A get cancels and what is left over? Cot A. So on simplifying our RHS part, we got cot A. Now if you observe here, we obtained, by simplifying LHS also we obtained same cot A, and by simplifying RHS also we obtained same cot A. That means here LHS value equal to RHS value. So therefore what we did is exactly correct. Understood? We did correct. So hence this is proved. Understood? So even though problem is looking very lengthy, okay, a small technique we need to apply to simplify that. Understood? With a small technique. What is that technique? We don't need to say it's a technique. It's a basic formula. It's a basic formula and basic. If you understand the fundamentals of any concept, not only the trigonometry, even geometry, mensuration, wherever you go, okay, even if you understand the fundamental of that topic, you can simply solve any sort of problems from that. Understood?
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.